If you are looking for a couple of cute diamond painting suggestions that are less expensive than the premium companies, I have some really cute things to show you today. Hi and welcome, my name is Debbie, the Crafty Diamond, and let me show you what Paintsomeway sent to me, and I hope that you will like these as well. The first item that they sent me only has 10 colors, but it is a partial. It is a 30 by 30, and it is really cute. I like to diamond paint cats. I thought this would be really cute with the cat with the popcorn and the glasses. And they do send you a boat, a plate of wax, and then you have your pen. So everything that you need is in here to complete this diamond painting kit. This is really good if you have some friends that you want to introduce to diamond painting, but you don't want to give them one of your really nice kits, or maybe it's something that you want a child to work on to see if they really like it, how much interest they're going to really have in it. So I think these are perfect. I will include the link below as well as the price. This one is a partial because you only diamond paint very small section over here. You will diamond paint the cat, his or her 3D glasses, also the popcorn bucket and the popcorn on top here. And all this background you do not diamond paint. So really it wouldn't take very long for someone to see if they like it or not. The sticky is really good. I will say that with this kit, it is folded pretty badly, as you can see. I have even flipped it over. I've even rolled it up, which you can do because this is not double-sided adhesive. It is poured glue, so you can kind of do this, see if it will work. What I am probably going to have to do with this one, it helps some, but still has a lot of, it's not creases, it will come out. It's just how it was folded. But I will put this under some heavy books or even a mattress for a few days, and then it should be fine. We do have all of the drills that you need. Now these are not in the sealable bags, but there's not very many in here, so you could use anything laying around the house in order to do this, or you can just open one at a time and do one symbol at a time. Because it is so small, really shouldn't take that long anyway. But they are really pretty. There's a lot of golds and blues in here, some reds. And all of these are rhinestones. So a little different than your average square or your round. So that is one. And the next one is actually an off the canvas item. And I'm going to move this out of the way. These are coasters. And I don't know how many coasters are in here. Let's see, there's a stack of them. And they have different themes. I think this is the astrology, but they do have different themes. And they can take a while on the coasters. They look really small and like it wouldn't take you very long, but they can take a while because there's so much going on in here. I like this one with the moon there. And all of these coasters come with a cork backing, so it's not automatically on here. What you would do is they give you these, one for each of your coasters, and you would just, it has a back where you just peel the back off. You just put it on in the center, and then you'll have your coaster there. And what I do whenever I complete coasters, I've completed a couple of sets, is that I will go ahead and I will use Mod Podge over the top or some kind of sealant in order to seal those diamonds. You can still use them as coasters. I've mainly been using mine as decoration, but you can use them as coasters. And then it does come with this stand you can put your coasters on. Also comes with another toolkit, the same as the other one. You have a plate, you have a pen, and then have your wax. And then you have all of these, which are going to be more yellows and golds. There's some teal in here and then some pink on the other side. Now for this, these are by numbers. So if you can see, like, these are all numbers. Because they're coasters, they're not going to have a symbol chart that comes with it. All of the coasters are going to have the numbers on there. So if you want to either do all the coasters, which would be a lot of these at one time, I'm just going to lay them out here, be a lot of those at one time to do the same color, or what I would do is put these in some type of a container. I have plenty of containers. You can also even put them in baggies if you want to. So there's several options you can do. So I think that both of these would be really good gifts if you're looking to give a birthday gift, or you want to start thinking about Christmas for next year of what you can, buy somebody. So I think both of these would work out very well. This little cat, and then also the coasters. I want to thank Paintsomeway for sending this to me. I really do appreciate it. And again, I will put both of the links underneath the description. And also, if you don't like this, maybe you'll like something else. One thing I do caution with the discount companies is that some of the items that are on their website may be AI, or it may be copied from somebody else's. And the discount companies are all from, the ones that I know of anyway, are from China. They do not have the same type of copyright laws as the US does. So you have to be really careful in what you do purchase if you are very cognizant of legally licensed artwork, which I am. You can go and do a reverse check on Google to see if you can find artwork that is similar or even identical to something that you've seen. I did a video on that the first part of last year, I believe, and that is an easy way to go and check to see if you're purchasing something that is not from a licensed artist. Thanks so much. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.